Okay, so question 8 here, it's asking us to work with a frequency table of data, and it's got 20 students in it, so that's quite important that we recognise we've got a total here of 20. Do the check: 9, 12, 18, 9, 12, 17, 20. Yep, that works. Right, so it's asking us to work with some averages. So write down the modal number of goals scored. Well, modal is just a different way of saying the mode for frequency tables. So it wants the number of goals. So what was the one that occurred the most often? So we can see here that 9 students scored 1 goal. So that's the value that occurred the most often. So the answer will be 1 goal. Work out the range of the number of goals. Again, it's about the number of goals here. So the range is always the highest value. Take away the lowest value. So the highest number of goals was 4, the lowest number of goals was 1, so the range is 3. So the spread of the goals was 3. Work out the mean number of goals scored. Well, we've got to remember the standard idea behind the mean average is about the total. So in this case it's the total number of goals, because the scenario is about the goals scored by students, and it's going to be divided by the number of students because they scored the goals. So it's the number of numbers. So the total number of goals, well, we've got to remember that these 9 students scored 1 goal, so we're going to do 9 times 1 here. Basically we're going to do the frequency, which is the number of students, times the data value, which is about the goals scored, and that will allow us then to calculate the total number of goals scored by all the 20 students. So we've got the frequency here of 3 times 2 is 6, 5 times 3 is 15, and 3 times 4 is 12. So we add that up to get another total, so 9, 15, 30, 42. So altogether these 20 students scored 42 goals. Now the mean average is about working out what it is per student. So out of the 42 goals for 20 students, we can do 42 divided by 20. 42 divided by 10 is 4.2, and then divided by the 2 is 2.1. So the number of goals scored is 2.1 goals scored per student, and that's what the mean average is about.